Yeah, so we will write all this term which has a as a coefficient at the same place. So we'll take this second equation. Yes, again this term, and then we have this term. So there will be plus sign in the front of this. Okay, so let me add the plus sign, otherwise I will forget. Yeah, so we have this third term, and this the last term. And let me okay, there is a minus sign. Now I am writing this plus sign that I have left from this term. Yeah, so but first of all, what we can do, we can take a as a out common and take it at the outside. Now so what we know that you know, del cross a is gonna like you know, three term will be there. Okay, so we will just rewrite this term and in a way so that it will look like del cross a. Okay, so we can do like this. So the first term, okay, so for the first term we are gonna have so this is the x component, so we gonna have this y and z. Okay, so y and z, so this is gonna be written down here, and then we have y and z, so these two will be over here, del az by del y minus del by del ay del of z. Okay, okay, yeah, and one more thing that I have forgot to do, that is that yes, so we have forgot to put this unit vector x cap, y cap and z cap in this equation. Okay, in this final equation. Okay, so when we just copy this equation, okay, copy these and these a terms from this, so of course there is a this is the so there is a x cap sign will be there, and for this there is the y cap, and this is the z cap. I didn't mention this unit vector because these are only components. Okay, these terms 1 2 3 and are only components. Okay, but when we just take out these terms, so along with that I have to include this unit vector as well. So here we are gonna have unit vector from this. Okay, and similarly these two terms gonna have another unit vector y, and these two terms have another unit vector gonna z. So this is gonna be x cap. In a similar way we will have, or we can just common out the minus from this term. Okay, and del of a of z by del x minus del of z del ax, and we have y, and then we have a del of y del x minus del of a of x del y, and then we have this z term. So this is z actually. Yeah, and a is obviously common out. So a times del cross a. So we have figure out the first term in this RHS. Okay, in the similar way this b term, when we common out this b terms, these terms, these terms, and this term. Okay, so if we do that, then yeah, so one thing we can see okay, so we can do this. let me do it. So I will similarly take these terms and I will add this x cap and y cap and z cap direction after writing all those terms together. So there will be plus sign over here. I will add later. Yes, from the second part. So here will be plus sign, and this is the minus sign. Okay, yes, and we have this x cap at this point, and then we have this y cap, and here we have z cap. And of course this is you know, if we rewrite and taking the b common out, then del of by by del z minus del of bz by del y x cap, and we'll common out the minus sign. Okay, so del of bx by del z minus del of bz by del x. Okay, y cap, and then we have this del of bx by del y minus del of by del x, then this is z. Okay, and finally this b is going to equal to del, I'm sorry, not equal to, it is going to be p times del of this p vector. And finally we can write that del cross a of a plus b of b is gonna equal to a times del cross a plus b times del cross b. So this is the linearity properties of curl. Okay, in the next bonus video I am going to prove the product rules. Okay, so we have learned the different product rules. I am trying to prove these rules. Okay.